Hello everyone, welcome back to another EU4 exploit video. In this video, we will be looking at a cheat that allows you to set the parameters of certain custom nations, editing their starting ruler stats, their religion, and even their idea groups. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you have to know is that this exploit does not work on every nation. In fact, the only nations that can be edited with this exploit are the ones who have shields that appear here on the Interesting Nations tab on the 1444 start date. The next thing you need to do is you need to create a custom nation that has all of the things, all the parameters you want to give to one of those interesting nations. So I have pre-made one here. I've called it Cheat Nation. I have made it ruled by a 666 queen. I have made her Zoroastrian, and I have given them ridiculous idea groups, including +2 colonists and a bunch of other stuff. Now, delete this custom nation because we're not going to use it yet. We have to do something to break the game a little bit, and what we're going to do is a little odd. We're going to hold Shift on our keyboard and right-click on one of these nations' tabs, or shields rather, and it's going to open this menu with this bizarre button, interface/frontend.gui. I have no idea what this button is meant to do, but clicking on that button opens some menus and resets the game. Now, there are 4 menus that have been opened, and we need to cancel out of 2 of them. When we cancel out of the second menu, you might notice that down here in the bottom right, our Random New World, Custom Nation, and Random Nation buttons reappear. It is very important you do not cancel out of the third menu. Do not hit cancel 3 times, it will crash the game. Instead, click Custom Nation, plop it down anywhere you want, and hit Load. Now, the Load menu appears, but it is behind this menu, so you can't edit it yet. However, opening the Load menu has allowed us to cancel out of these next 2 menus without crashing the game. This is very important that you do it in this order, otherwise you will not be able to accomplish this exploit. By canceling out of those last 2 menus, the Interesting Nation shields reappear, allowing us to select England. Once England is selected, we will then select our Cheat Nation and hit Load, and lo and behold, England is made into its ridiculous, cheaty form. Hit Delete, and it will ask you if you want to delete England. Hit OK, because it's not actually going to do anything. The last step, click Custom Nations, modify the one that you have created, and delete it so that it is no longer in the game and restricting you from getting achievements. Finally, select England, press play, Ironman mode, and you'll notice that it does say achievements can be earned this session, and the game is totally compatible. Now we're going to let the game load up, and you'll notice as we start that in fact EU4 thinks that this is a normal game and allows us to earn all the achievements, even though, yes indeed, England is ruled by a 666 queen, is Zoroastrian, and has nonsense idea groups. Now, there are some things to bear in mind with this exploit. First, though you can change the ruler's age and their stats, you cannot change whatever their personality is. So the King of England starts with infertile, and thus this queen will also have it. The other thing to bear in mind is, well, you can definitely change the religion of the nation. It doesn't change the religion of the provinces. So I'm sitting at a healthy 0% religious unity on a Zoroastrian religion, which is not very helpful. Well, that's pretty much it for this exploit. My name has been Sepian. Thank you again for watching, and I'll come at you again later with another EU4 video. Have a great day.